Essential English Sentences for Beginners. Welcome to our English learning journey. In today's video, we're going to cover some of the most essential English sentences every beginner should know. These sentences will help you in everyday situations, making it easier to communicate and understand others. Greetings and introductions. Let's start with basic greetings. When you meet someone, you'll want to say hello, or hi, and then how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? If you're introducing yourself, you can say, my name is, your name. Nice to meet you. Asking for help or information. Next, let's move on to asking for help or information. Here are some useful sentences. Can you help me, please? Where is the restroom? How much does this cost? Could you repeat that, please? I don't understand. Polite phrases. Being polite is important in any language. Here are some key phrases to remember. Please and thank you. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Ordering at a restaurant. If you're at a restaurant, these sentences will come in handy. Can I see the menu, please? I would like a coffee. Check, please. Basic conversation starters. If you want to start a simple conversation, you can ask, what do you do? Where are you from? Do you like movies, music, etc.? Talking about time and weather. Talking about time or the weather is common in everyday conversations. Try these. What time is it? It's hot today, or it's cold today. These simple sentences will help you get started with English. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Remember, learning a new language takes time, but every step you take is progress. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be able to communicate with ease. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on learning English.